Don't pay for Seedance 2 just yet, because in this video I'll show you a completely free and legitimate way to create high-quality cinematic AI videos using the latest Seedance 2 model. Everything you're seeing on your screen was created using this exact workflow. I'll walk you through the complete process, and later in the video I'll also show you how to keep generating videos even after your free credits run out. So make sure you don't skip any important step. Now, let's get started. The tool we'll be using today is Dola AI. First, open your browser, search for Dola AI, and open the first official result. If the website doesn't load, it's most likely because the tool is restricted in your region. In that case, simply connect to any trusted VPN and try again. Once you're on the home page, you'll notice the interface looks clean and simple. But don't let that fool you. Behind this minimal design is a powerful AI tool that gives you access to some of the latest AI models completely free. The best part is that it's available on Android, iPhone, and PC, so you can follow this tutorial on whichever device you're using. Now, simply sign in using your preferred login method. It only takes a few seconds, and once you're logged in, we'll jump straight to the exciting part, creating our first AI video. Here you'll see two options, generate image and generate video. Since we're creating a video, simply click on generate video. Now you have two methods. You can either enter a text prompt to generate a video from scratch, or upload a reference image and animate it. For this tutorial, I'll be using a reference image. Once your image is uploaded, let's move to the most important setting, the model. Here you'll find two different models, and I'll be selecting Dreamina Seedance 2 Fast. Next, choose your preferred video duration. I'll set it to 10 seconds, and for the aspect ratio, I'll select 16:9, which is perfect for YouTube. After that, simply enter your motion prompt and click Generate. Your video will now start generating using the Dreamina Seedance 2 model. Each generation costs only 2 credits and usually takes around 1 to 3 minutes to complete. As you can see, I still have a few credits left, so I can generate another video. After waiting for a couple of minutes, our video is finally ready. Let's check out the result. Wow! This actually turned out amazing. The animation looks smooth, the camera movement feels cinematic, and the overall quality is really impressive. Honestly, this is exactly the kind of result I was hoping for. The only downside is the watermark, but that's not a big issue since you can easily remove it using any watermark remover tool. Now, let's use our remaining credits to generate one more video. I'll upload another image, enter a different motion prompt, and click Generate. As before, it'll take around 1 to 3 minutes to finish. While it's generating, if you're enjoying this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest AI tools and tutorials. And after waiting for a few moments, our video is finally ready. Let's check out the result. Wow! Once again, the result is absolutely impressive. The animation is smooth, the camera movement feels cinematic, and the overall quality is excellent. Honestly, it even exceeded my expectations, and the final output looks incredibly professional. Go ahead and download your video. Now, as you can see, I've used all of my free credits for today, so I can't generate any more videos using this method. And rather than making false promises, I want to be completely honest with you. At the time of recording this video, I couldn't find any legitimate way to keep using Dreamina Seedance 2 Plus for free after the credits run out. But don't worry, that doesn't mean you're out of options. I found another AI tool where you can still use Seedance 1.5 Pro along with the Grok model, which is also an excellent AI video generator. So, let's check it out. Now let's move on to the second AI tool, OII AI. Simply search for OII AI on Google, open the official website, create your account, and you'll land on the home page. You'll receive 60 free credits to get started, and by completing the available reward, you can claim even more free credits for video generation. Now, let's create our first video. Click on Start Creating, then on the next page, click the plus icon and choose Video. Upload your reference image, enter your motion prompt, and then head over to the model section. Here you'll find several AI video models. While Seedance 2 Fast isn't free, you can still use Seedance 1.5 Pro along with the Grok model. For this tutorial, I'll choose Seedance 1.5 Pro because it's one of the best free options available right now. Next, adjust your preferred settings such as the aspect ratio, video duration, and quality. Once everything is ready, click Generate, and your video will start processing. It will take some time, so let's wait for the result. And here it is, our video is ready. Let's check it out. Wow, the result looks fantastic. The animation is smooth, the camera movement feels natural, and the characters move really well. If you want, you can also add dialogues in your prompts. And the best part? There's no watermark on the final export. Go ahead and download your video. You still have free credits remaining, so you can continue creating more videos. And once those credits are used up, you can always create another account with a different email if you want to continue using the free plan. So that's it for today's tutorial. I showed you how to use Dreamina Seedance 2 within its free credits, and I also introduced OII AI, where you can use Seedance 1.5 Pro and the Grok model to keep creating high-quality AI videos for free. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and let me know your thoughts or questions in the comments. Your feedback helps me create even better tutorials for you. Thanks for watching. You're watching Nexa AI, and I'm Trixie. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, take care.